Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio Duro watch. This is going to be the MDV-106. So this is going to be the 200 meters of water resistance Casio watch that features the screw down crown. So we are going to apply three basic principles when we want to set the time and date in order to correctly and safely set the date and not damage the watch. So the first thing that we want to do in order to protect the date wheel, so the wheel that spins the date, is to set the time at 6:30. This is going to be a principle that can be applied to both mechanical watches and quartz watches. And we do that because the wheel that changes the date is going to usually engage between 9 and 12 o'clock or between 12 and 3 o'clock, or both if you have a date complication. So let me show you what I am talking about. In order to be able to pull the crown to the first or to the last position on this particular model, we first need to unscrew the crown. So we are going to rotate it counterclockwise to the left, so downwards until the crown is going to pop out a little. And now I can pull the crown to the last position. You can also see that the seconds hand has stopped. That is because our movement has a hacking. I will try to go past 12 o'clock until the date changes so that we can actually see what I am talking about. As you can see now, the date did not change. And now, because I am between 9 and 12 o'clock and I am PM, the date is going to change. So as you can see right now, the date started to move a little. So this shift is done by the date wheel and has already started to spin. So it is engaged. And if you are trying or you attempt to change the date while the date wheel is already engaged, so as the watch is trying to change the date, there is a big possibility that you can actually damage the date wheel. And in that case, your watch isn't going to change the date anymore. This can also happen on mechanical watches. So as you can see, after I go past 12 o'clock, the date has fully changed and now the date wheel isn't engaged anymore. But since we also have watches that engage between 12 and 3 o'clock, or even between 12 and 5 o'clock if you have two languages, the easiest and safest way to remember is to first set the time at 6:30. And that is because both of our watch hands are now in the lower part of the dial. So this is considered the safe zone. So this is going to be our first principle. I'm going to pull the crown all the way back in. And now the second principle when setting the time and date is that first we want to set the date. And we are going to set the date 1 day prior to our actual end goal. So let's presume I want to make it the 30th of the month. I will first make it the 29th, and then I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock manually until I arrived on my desired date, because I will know whether I am AM or PM, and that is going to be our third part in order to set the time and select AM or PM. So as I mentioned, for the second principle is to set the date 1 day prior. So I'm going to pull the crown to the first position where I have the first click, and now I will be able to change the date. As you can see, I'm going to go one by one, and as I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 30th. So I'm going to leave it at the 29th, just like this. Now the third part is going to be to pull the crown to the last position where I can actually set the time. And now I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again until the date changes. As you can see, the date did not change. That is because we were AM. And now, as you can see, I have arrived on the 30th, and now I can make it 4 AM. So 4 in the morning. In case we are PM, I can go past 12 o'clock once again. You will be able to see that the date will not change. So I'm still on the 30th, and now I am 4 PM, so 4 in the afternoon. And that is why you want to first set the date 1 day prior to your actual end goal, and then set the time so that we can arrive on our desired date and select AM or PM. If done this correctly, now our watch is going to have the date changed every time it passes midnight, and that is what you want to do as well. Now, in order to finalize the process, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in. The watch is going to start ticking, and because this is a diver's watch, we need to also screw down the crown. And I'm going to push and rotate at the same time. So I'm going to push and rotate clockwise, so to the right this time, in order to screw down the crown. And you will be able to see that the crown is now very near to the case, and that is what gives you that water resistance on this particular model. So that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today, guys. You now know how to correctly set the time and date on your Casio Duro watch. You can apply this tutorial to other watch brands as well. And also, if you would like to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery or how to interchange straps, so to a leather strap or to a NATO strap, even maybe a bracelet, I'm going to leave links in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel if you found this video useful. And if you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.